Taking a live look outside from the Mission Ridge camera, looking a lot different than it did this time yesterday. Not quite as sunny and those blue skies are gone. But it's not that chilly out there. It's actually a bit warmer. Let's get to meteorologist Alison Pryor.
That's right, Latrice. We're already about 5-6 degrees above what our normal high temperature would be at this point in January they would expect. I'm going to try to brighten your day up a little bit because of those gloomy clouds across the area with a bright sunset photo from yesterday when we didn't have so many clouds, just enough to make these pretty colors. Ray Hicks sent in this photo, actually his son sent this in, but he took the photo. Fires Creek sunset in Hayesville, North Carolina and Clay County. Absolutely beautiful. Thanks so much to Ray and his son for sending in that photo. All right, what's happening outside? Latrice mentioned the temperatures aren't so bad. So normally our high is 51 degrees and we're already at 57 in Chattanooga. Now, because we don't have the sunshine, there is still a little bit of a chill in the air. You probably do want that jacket or sweatshirt before you head out the door, but certainly you don't need a heavy winter coat at all today. At Athens, 52 degrees, 56 in Dalton, and 57 currently in Fort Payne. So our temperatures are still going to climb up a few more degrees as we look ahead to this afternoon. Yes, those clouds sticking around. We may this evening have a couple of little slivers of a break in the cloud cover, but generally expect those overcast skies today. So 58 at 1 o'clock, 59 at 3 p.m., 58 at 5 o'clock. And notice, even after the sun goes down, our temperatures staying in the 50s. Very little change in our temperatures overnight. In fact, our overnight low will happen around midnight, 1 a.m. and the temperatures are going to start to climb up through early Thursday morning, even before the sun comes up. Now, you're also going to notice these percentages on here. We will have a chance for a few little spotty sprinkles and light showers today, just a little bit of drizzle. That's it. So 10% for today. Big rocket up tomorrow, though. Again, Thursday is going to be a storm alert weather day. That 90% probability. We're talking about storms rolling across our area as part of a squall line. Within that, we may see a few strong to severe storms, so something to watch out for Thursday. That's all associated with the cold front, which means backside, much colder air comes in. 30% on Friday. We go from severe weather to, yes, snow showers up in the higher elevations. Thankfully, we dry out for the weekend, so you get sunshine for this weekend, unlike the past weekend, which was dreary. And then rain returns by Monday night into Tuesday as we look ahead to next week. But first, let's just focus on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So particularly for Thursday, the time frame that we're looking at for that potential for severe weather is 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. from west to east. The biggest threat, that's going to be this level 2 right here for damaging winds. So that's number 1 that we have to focus on. It's not 0 though, but there is a low end risk. So we may have a brief tornado. What do I mean by a brief tornado? I had somebody ask me that on Facebook. This is going to be something that can happen quickly. It'll touch down, but instead of being down on the ground for multiple miles, potentially just a few hundred yards to a few miles and then lifts up again. But still, it's a tornado and can do damage. So we want you to be weather aware for that. Not expecting any kind of large hail or flooding with this system. So outside right now, again, we have those clouds moving across our area. A few little spots of sprinkles possible in Jackson County and Grundy County right now. But here's the system that we're eyeing for tomorrow. So let's time that out for you at Futurecast. Clouds continue today. Again, a couple little spots of sprinkles. Wind coming up from the south. Those high temperatures for most from about 55 to 60 across the area. Let's take you to tomorrow morning. So things starting up for our western communities between about 9 and 10 a.m. Eastern time. So between about 8 and 9 a.m. Central time with this line. It's going to keep pushing across the area through your late morning, through your lunchtime, and then pushing off to the east. So by about 3-4 o'clock, wrapping up in Cherokee County, North Carolina, it's out of here. And then it's just about that colder air dropping in. You're going to start to see some blue showing up on the map for Friday. Friday morning through daytime into the evening. Our higher elevations having the chance for flurries and, yes, some snow showers. So a lot to kind of expect over the next 48, 72 hours today. It looks gloomy outside, but overall the weather is really pretty quiet. Again, highs from about 55 to 60. I think we might make it up to 61 in Chattanooga. 66 and stormy tomorrow, and then Friday 44 with snow showers in the higher elevations. Latrice?